up, warm your voices up. Now, to prepare for a concert in area, let's sing it from the top in 3, 2, 1, go! Who needs rehearsal? Say it I like. If our voices are disrespect. Did you see? It appears that we have an audience in the middle of our rehearsal. Quite a privilege and quite impolite of us. Let's say hi to our audience. Hello, audience. Did we sing good? Did we sing good? Yes. Everyone else, did we sing good? Yes or no?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Don't make me beg. Did we sing good?
Yes!
That's very much good. Alright. And then if we sang good, then clap for us. Clap for us. Ay. Ain't nothing as sweet as the sound of the applause. But if we sang for you, then you, all of you, must also sing for us. Now, my friends, think of something that they can sing for us. Come. Maybe like what, a little bit of Celine Dion?
No, my friend. What about something simple, like
Simple?
Do Re Mi?
Do Re Mi. Okay, let's sing the Do Re Mi. Sing the Do Re Mi for us. Let me count you off. Or maybe some of you don't know the Do Re Mi. Then we must sing it for you first, right? Oh my God, I'm such a genius. Say that I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
You're a genius.
Oh my God, clap for me, my friend. Oh, I love the sound of applause. All right, let's sing the Do Re Mi. Let's count it off in 3, 2, 1, go.
Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do.
Ay, pretty experts, huh? Now it's your turn to sing the Do Re Mi. Let me count you off in 3, 2, 1, go. Marvelous voices, marvelous. Molto bene to all of you. Now, if you can sing the Do Re Mi, that means that you can sing the notes of a song. And if you can sing the notes of a song, then you can very well sing a song like us. So, why don't we let them sing a song for us? Think of a song. What song? Queen of the Night? No, quite difficult, huh?
What about a Visayan song?
A Visayan song, quite far away from us. What Visayan song are we thinking about
I've
here?
been thinking of Sa Kabukiran.
Sa Kabukiran? I've never heard of such song. What does that mean, my friend?
The mountains.
The mountains. Alright, I really like the sound of that. Now why don't we let them try it? But of course, we have to sing it first so that they can sing after. What about for the first part? In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, you've heard that. Now sing that part in 3, 2, 1, go! Marvelous, molto bene. The second part, please. In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, why don't you try to sing that? In 3, 2, 1, go! Louder, louder, louder! welcome. Buongiorno. Oh, you must be Angel. We were expecting you. What a pleasant surprise. Welcome to Italy.
Madonna mia, this must be a singing angel sent from the heavens.
Thank you.
Oh, they can't sing.
You cannot sing. I've heard that phrase before, Angel. And I always say the same thing. No buts and no excuses. Because the stage is calling you, Angel. Everybody can sing. If you can talk, you can sing. Ain't I nice? Come. Let me prove you wrong, Angel. Everybody here can sing. Alright. But of course, do not prove us wrong. Show Angel what you got. Don't put shame on our names, okay? Let me count you on. Sing the do re mi to Angel. In 3, 2, 1, go! See, Angel? Such good singers, ain't they? Now why don't you try to sing the do re mi for us? I wanna hear it. Let me count you off. Let me count you off. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Do, re, mi. See?
I see what you mean. You're trying to bring a typhoon over here like the Visayas. Alright, why don't we sing something about the sun so that the sun will come back? Huh? I know one song about the sun. It's this song called Oh Sereno. It's this song about the sun, the light, the brightness is practically your thing. So, come. Let's sing it here. Go! Louder! Sing, my angels of music!
Stand from Grazie.
You hear that? That's the sound of applause. Quite marvelous to hear, isn't it? Oh, thank you. See what I mean? You can really sing, Angel. And you just needed someone to find your voice. And speaking of finding your voice, that comes with a payment because that was a master class of a voice lesson. But you must only pay one thing. Always remember to carry that brightness and lightness in your life forevermore, okay?
I will forever feel that sunny feeling in my life.
Very good.